My name is Professor Mavuso, Acting Dean, Faculty of Education. Today we are here in the University of Fort Hare. We have schools from the Amatole West Education District. I think we have about 800 learners who are doing mathematics, and we will be having two programs running parallel. The one for the learners will be focusing on training teachers and learners on how to use calculators, and the one for principals will be focusing on sharing research about the importance of calculator use, and also be capacitating them on issues of instructional leadership.
The workshop was very beneficial for principals. By having them here is not only to capacitate them but also to inform them, mainly about the importance of mathematics in schools. And with the dwindling numbers of learners that are taking mathematics now, it becomes the responsibility of the principal to make sure that more learners are taking mathematics.
This calculator workshop for principals is very important in the sense that, one, principals are instructional leaders. And as instructional leaders, they should see to it that mathematics as one of the subjects offered in schools is performing very well. So they should take serious the purchasing of right calculators for their students, because about 20% of the question paper needs learners who have appropriate calculators.
I found the workshop very fruitful. The workshop was very productive. We gained a lot. It was very good to interact with other school principals and SMTs in terms of sharing the experiences and challenges from our respective schools. The background that we were given in terms of the use of calculators at schools, I found it very useful, because if the learner, for instance, is unable to use a calculator, that will have an impact on the results.